As together we navigate these unusual and often uncertain times, there's one constant in our lives that brings us together as a nation. Yes, it's time for the annual SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Endless stream of awesome TeraFlex products ready to soak up those stimulus check dollars and bring peace and posterity to America and the world. Yeah, I thought we'd go big on that one. Except this is 2020, when the only thing that's constant is the continuous cancellation of our beloved events. How can we show you all this TeraFlex goodness without the unacceptable risk of direct human contact? It's easy. Welcome to our TeraFlex and Falcon Shocks appropriately socially distanced SEMA replacement event. Or TFSRSDSRE might be a little easier for you to remember. By socially distancing our products from disease-infested humans, we're free to introduce, demonstrate, and entice you to buy TeraFlex products. You know, things like diff covers, heavy-duty JL and JT steering, track bars, new suspension lifts for the JT and the JL as well, Tera 60 axles, and our all-new JL hinged tire carrier. Feel free to smash that like button. I think you'll find it therapeutic. Now, we decided to reveal these products in short segments. We're just concerned that the sensory overload just might be too much for some of you. Be sure to watch every day of the virtual SEMA week for inspirational product presentations.